Since I built my simple resistor capacitor EDM, I am fascinated by this elegant technology. I worked much with it and learned a lot about it and how to improve the burn. It is very satisfying for normal demands, but in very fine jobs it is quite coarse and electrode wear is a bit high. Although I have already improved a lot here. I need very thin electrodes to burn many slim slots in the heat exchangers of my high-power Stirling engines. So I decided to build a true PULSE EDM and ordered the PCB of Ben Fleming on his website. He immediately emailed an updated bill of materials and building instructions, so the planning and getting the parts could be started directly. After a few weeks the PCB arrived, and with the existing parts the serious construction phase could begin. More and more parts accumulated. Ready for stuffing the PCB. After the final positioning of the main parts was decided, the mechanical production of the case is the next step. The brute force of the power supply needs good cooling. The AC power connection with main switch, fuse, rectifier, thermal circuit breaker and filter capacitors in the backplate. Now I have to wait for some parts to arrive before I can continue the construction. To shorten the waiting time, I made this video. Just the front panel with the controls has to be connected. Hopefully I can show you the finishing of the construction and the working PULSE EDM soon. Many parts are waiting to be finished. Thanks for watching. Bye.